Hello, welcome to the first official episode of Jedi Dad. Today we talk about a simple little hack that takes away some of the awkwardness of taking screenshots on the newer iPhones. Let's get started. Our first step is to open the settings app from the home screen. Once in the settings app, you're going to scroll down until you find accessibility, and then you're going to click on that. Once you're in the accessibility menu, you're going to find the touch option. It's at the very top, and then you're going to select that. Once in this menu, scroll to the bottom and select back tap. Now you have the option for double and triple tap. You can start with double tap. You can choose either of these options. I prefer a screenshot because screenshot is very awkward, but as you can see, there are many options here. Again, you can do the same thing with triple tap. You can choose the same or a different option. It has the same list of the same options here. Again, I scroll down the list and I'm going to choose triple tap. Again, on my triple tap, I'm going to make as a screenshot because it's very awkward to press those buttons for me. Once you've done that, you can exit back to the home screen either by going back or by closing the settings app either way, and then you've completed the process. And I just want to thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe, like, share, and comment. Thank you for your time.